Hey, this is Mr. Coker with Algebra Lesson 5-1 bonus. And this time I'm going to talk about a few visual representations of data sets. And I'm not going to go into finding mean, mode, median, and range because the last two videos talked about how to find those. All I'm going to do is talk about just a few different types of data sets and kind of how to read them. So the first one is a dot plot. And what I'm going to do for each one of these data sets is just point out what it means and write the numbers, write the list of values, just the, I guess we call it the raw data. So with the dot plot, what we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the choices of numbers I picked. Just trying to keep it simple. And the number of dots, of course, those are the number of times each data point shows up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to start with 1. Well, 1 has all of 1 dot, so I'll write a 1 once. All right, 1, 1. 2, notice it has 0. There are no dots, so there are no 2's. So I won't put 2. 3 has 2 dots. So I write down 2 3's. 4 has 2 dots. So I put a 4 down 2 times. And a 5, as you can see, that's our mode. It has 3 dots. So if I wrote out our list of data, that's what we have. And now from this we could find our mean. We would add the numbers together, divide by 8. Median, we'd find our middle number, mark off 1 1 1 1 1 1. We'd get 4 because it's in the middle. We'd find our mode by looking at the number it shows up the most, which of course is 5, and the range we would do 5 minus 1. We would get 4. So once you have your list of numbers, finding your mean, mode, median, and range should be easy. Now, second, it's important just to know how to read it. So frequency table. Notice, hopefully, I picked the same numbers. Frequency table is just like a dot plot, but instead of having the visual of dots, we have a list of numbers. So sometimes students get confused in this because we have numbers on each side, and it can be a little like, wait, what number am I looking for again? This is, it's just like the dot plot. These are the numbers you're going to write down, and this side are the number of times you write them down. So again, 1 shows up once. 2 has 0, so there are no 2's. 3 shows up 2 times. 4 shows up 2 times. And 5 shows up 3 times. Last one that's up right now is the line graph. You can see it's the same numbers. So I started at 0 because there are no zeros, so it starts at 0 0. Then we have 1 shows up 1 time. 2 is down at 0. There are no 2's. There are 2 3's and 2 4's, so this line should see the same, see flat. And then there are 3 5's, so it goes up. Hopefully something you can notice about this is that if you look at it from this frequency table, those are ordered pairs on the line graph. 1 1, 2 0, 3 2, there's 3 2, 4 2, so 4 2, and 5 comma 3, 5 3. So that's just a few of those. There are others, but that's all I'm going to talk about in this video because that's all I put on my assignment that I sent home. So anyway, dot plot, frequency table, and line graph. Thanks for watching.